not tempt me, mortal. Soon you will all serve me. You press too far. Or perhaps not far enough. I haven't felt this overconfidence since Bastion's Keep. If you think my current form is impressive, wait until you behold my floating head taunts. Leading the Sin Lieutenants is not easy. Sloth is late. Wrath is belligerent. Pride thinks greed is stealing. Envy is jealous, greed gets away with it, and gluttony tries to eat everyone. As for lust, well, she is very distracting. Neverlumps and woozles, here, there, everywhere. These damn Nephilim torment me even in my sleep. Minions, remember, there is nothing more toxic or deadly than a Nephilim child. A single touch can kill you. No, I don't know how the Maiden of Lust is still a maiden either. I'm feeling hella good, so let's just keep advancing. You think your family is bad? I grew up with the Lords of Hell. Our sibling rivalries devastated entire realms. Those who believe there are only 7 deadly sins lack imagination. This is starting to hurt more than my piercings. Can everyone just stop for a moment? I need to write a series of lore books about this battle and then spend some time scattering them about. What? How dare you refer to me as a lesser evil? I prefer the term evilly challenged. I am so Azmodan with this. Go. Destroy. Go, my servant. Kill them. Slaughter in my name. Now, I return at last. My victory is assured. Your flesh was made to die. You were weak after all. You make a fine corpse. You caught your doom. Such arrogance must be punished. I shall show you entire realms of agony. A Lord of Hell never dies. I will not be denied. A minor delay. And now, Azmodan. I learned this from Sedea. She's very good. I tire of you. Farewell. Greetings, minions. What do you desire? That was intentional. Your offering is sufficient. Your lord is pleased. I'm amused. Most enjoyable. Delightful. I will enjoy that. My triumph awaits. Intriguing. Power courses through me. Your fate is sealed. Your insolence will not be tolerated. Forgive me, my friend, for I am about to sin. An empty victory. We will triumph in the end. I am the true Lord of Hell. Where do our enemies hide? I will make them mine. So it begins. A clever choice. Behold the might of Hell. You wish to make a deal with me. The armies of Hell are restless. Have you considered the pleasures of sin? Yes, say favor the sight of me. I hunger for battle and fresh blood. You think you know anguish? Drown in the tide of sin. Do you fear the end? You thought you were so clever. Ravage this world. Tear them apart. They cannot truly kill me. No one can. Sin is eternal. Enticing. My army calls, just as I planned. Very well. The battle rages. I alone shall rule. No escape. An amusement. Strike them down. Murder them all. Rend the flesh from their bones. Be on your guard. Our foes are coming. You are not entirely worthless. You entertain me. Have you done this before? Heal, minion. Mend your weak flesh. I am enslaving these mercenaries. I shall aid you. I will join in this diversion. I must retreat. I must heal. What? I will do this myself. Insolence. Insignificant whelp. Feel my wrath. Your destruction is inevitable. It ends in blood. I shall consume you. No one can stand against me. I defy you. I cannot move. How entertaining. We shall feast for this. Seal their fates. It is our hour. Invigorating. I accept your offering, minion. Most wise. I concur. Only because I desire it. Sin will reign over all. Cower before me, mortals. Tired of being on the losing side? Just what is that liquid you keep consuming? Well, if it isn't the Nephilim. What part of hell are you from? You. I see they are sending out the Drek today. You appear to be ready for war. We must take this world for our own. Have you prepared yourself for war? Are you ready to lay siege to our enemies? I have been waiting for this. I hold the power of hell. Are you propositioning me? I would not call what you do fighting. Aren't you the Nephilim's jeweler? Your death will be sweeter after this little diversion. You sound like a fallen one. You fail to amuse me. Come, I want to see them suffer. You lead us only to failure, brother. I make my own way. Arrogant fool. Insignificant wretch. Wickedness is its own reward. I knew you were weak. I knew I would get you eventually, Nephilim. Consider this a permanent exile. I feast on your pride. You will look good next to Inarius. Consider your light. It serve well, minion. I'm low on mana. My mana is low. Not enough mana. No. I cannot. A worthless command. Aid our ally. Come to me. Fight for me. The battle should be waged here. Destroy the enemy's core. Let us enslave these mercenaries. Destroy this fort. Claim this watchtower. Capture this objective. Claim this in my name. Collect these, minion. Gather these quickly. Be cautious. Danger encircles us. Defend here. Defend our core. Defend this fort. Protect that structure. Defend this structure. Prepare to defend. This must stand. Defend this watchtower. Destroy that structure. This structure shall burn. Slay this one. End this creature's wretched life. The enemy has gone missing. Our foe hides. Weakling. This imbecile interferes with my plans. Hold your tongue. I will be there shortly. I shall accompany you, if I must. Retreat. Make your escape. Move that now. No, this cannot remain here. Turn these in. Deliver them with haste.